Hi, so this question is maximum difference between increasing elements. So you're given an array, and then basically you want to find the maximum difference between num_i and num_j, and then I has to be less than j, and is definitely including the boundary from 0 to n, and just return the maximum difference. So this question is straightforward enough. So basically, when you want to traverse, you just want to keep on track of the current element, and you want to find out the element for the current number. Is this a min or is this a max? So once we keep traversal, right, and then we will find out like this will be the what this will be the min and this will be a max. So what is the point in not choosing 7? This is because what I has to be less than j, right? If you pick 7 and 1, this is not allowed. So this is pretty much the idea. Like we have to make sure when we traverse. So when we traverse, right, we have to make sure the current min and also the maximum difference at the current position. So if the current position is here and this is the min, we want to keep updating the current maximum difference. So so we will definitely know the current element minus the min is actually the maximum difference. So if you say 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7 is actually 0, right? So if the array is all what, can the array have a duplicate element? I think so, right? So if array is what, 777, 777, and then when you traverse, right, and then your maximum is 7, your min is 7. So if the maximum is actually equal to the min, right? So which mean what? The maximum difference. So maximum difference is actually what? The diff is actually equal to 0. If the diff is actually equal to 0, then this is what you are not finding anything, so you return -1. And then if you can find it, then you will definitely know, okay, this is the maximum difference, which is 5 minus 4. 5 minus 1 is actually 4, right? And we have to traverse from the first index, and then we will assume we have to traverse at the index 1, and then we have to assume the index 0 is the what? It's the current min. So we would actually skip the first element in the array and then just keep traversal. So again, this is pretty straightforward. So result I will assume is -1, and then when I want to return, I want to make sure my maximum difference. So the result is actually -1, and you can actually see max diff, right? Alright, and I also need a the min equal to nums at 0. So I will assume the first element is the min, and I'll traverse from the I equal to 1, right? So min equal to max.min, and I will just compare myself and also the current element, and the maximum difference is actually the result is actually max.max result nums at I minus the min. So I will just keep updating my min, right? I want to find the lowest one, and then when I find the lowest one, I will find out the current number minus the min, which is going to be my maximum difference. So you are not allowed to keep track of the current maximum element. This is because what if you traverse the first one, then you will just get the maximum already, and then this is not allowed. So when you want to return, you just want to make sure if the result is actually equal to 0, which means they are all the same, like all the elements in the array are the same. And then if this is possible, then you want to return -1, else you want to return the maximum difference. So yeah, submit. Yeah, so let's just run the debug mode, and here we go. So how about this? 2 and then 1 over here. Can I do this? Let me see if I have a duplicate element. Yes, I can. Alright, so just look at the windows on the left. So I'll update my min, update my result. So look at the I is the position, the index, which is what? Which is 4, right? This is the answer. So for the time and space, this is a space constant, all of 1. This is time, all of n. Traverse every single element in the nums array. So this is the answer. So if you still have questions, leave a comment below, subscribe if you want it, and I will see you next time. Bye.